About 2 years ago, we made the pledge to make 2 videos a week. That quickly fell through because we realised that as we were pushing ourselves to make 2 videos a week, we couldn't keep doing good quality videos twice a week. We were kind of stretching ourselves thin as to what we could do. So this year we've stuck to that. We've been doing 1 video a week and we've been more or less keeping to the same consistent style of video. We haven't been too out there. We haven't done any of the longer videos like the Let's Write a Song videos or the genre handbook videos because that takes quite a lot of effort and time, and this year has been a particularly busy one for me and Lenny with what we do at work. Next year, we are planning to up the quality, like the production quality and the quality of everything that we're making again. However, we're not really sure as to how we're going to do that yet or as to what direction that we're going to go when we do that. So before we make any plans on how we're going to do that, we thought it'd be a good idea to get your input on how you think we should improve our channel. Whether this is your first time watching one of our videos or whether you're a long-time subscriber that's been with us from the beginning, we want to hear from you. We want to know what type of videos that we make that you prefer. We want to know what to give you that you like, in essence.
Yeah, if there's anything that you actually want to see us do that we don't already do, recommend that too. So, this other music channel does this. Why don't you give it a go?
We're pretty much up for anything. Like, Lenny's got a studio space that we use. We used to like do Let's Write songs here, things like that. So, anything, would you say, really?
Yeah, literally just suggest things because there's probably things that we know that we aren't saying because we just kind of take it for granted. So if there's anything that you do want to know about, that you want kind of becoming a band videos about, recommend it.
There's probably things as well that other channels do that you may want to see us do that we don't do because we think, oh, that channel does it, so why don't you just go watch them? But if you want to see us do it, then we'll do it. We're not going to do any meme shit though, because we're not that type of channel. We are a music education channel or something along those lines. So
yeah, keep it music based. And in theory something that will hold up in a year's time. So if it's some meme shit, we'll ignore it.
Yes. As I said before, the plan is to up the quality, be that move to some other premises where we can up the quality, use better equipment, use better like scenery or props, not props, but like...
Yeah, we're gonna have swords.
Use better, like, what's the word? A better locale to shoot in, I don't know, something like that. We are planning on doing that, but whether that will happen or not and in what capacity that will happen is kind of up in the air at the minute, so we don't want to make any promises that we can't keep. But we will promise this, we will try and do everything in our power to constantly make our channel better because that's kind of the whole point. Lenny tells me that we are very, very close to hitting 15,000 subscribers. That's pretty good, I'd say. That's quite a lot of people that are watching our shit, so maybe now is the time to do everything we can to improve our channel, improve our content. So, as we said, any suggestions we are open to.
Yeah, I guess we've been working on the same formula since we started, really. It's kind of us talking to camera. And I guess we don't necessarily want to change that, but at the same time, there's probably extra things that we can be doing.
We have made plans, well, not made plans, but we have thought about in the past, like bringing in people from other channels or people who don't even do YouTube to talk or to give some kind of contribution to the channel in some way. And that's never happened because it's fucking hard to organise people. But
yeah. But we've had talks with people and stuff, but it's...
Yeah. Again, it's something we're going to work on in the future.
Yeah. I guess it's essentially, we're planning on being a little bit more professional about this thing. In what capacity would you like us to do that, basically? So, it's Christmas soon, in case you haven't noticed. So, Merry Christmas, or whatever fucking holiday it is that you celebrate at this time of year. If you don't celebrate Christmas, then... whatever, I don't care. To be fair, well, we're not Christians, so from a religious standpoint, we don't fucking care. But at the same time, it's kind of a...
I suppose I only personally celebrate Christmas because there's the food involved, and that is kind of the only draw for me for it at the moment.
For me, it's almost entirely down to the jumpers.
Oh, yeah. I've actually bought a Christmas jumper this year for the first time ever, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I got guilt-tripped into doing it, so...
And you look good.
Yes. So, Merry Christmas, have a good New Year. I don't know if we're going to see you in between now and New Year. We probably will, but if not, have a good New Year anyway, and...
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.